Having found your quiet space, close your eyes and rest your hands in your lap, and visualize a pool of vibrating, sparkling, shimmering white light beneath your feet. Draw it upwards through your ankles, your knees, hips, and through your base chakra, through your sacral chakra, swirling around up into your solar plexus, into the heart chakra, and up through your third eye, and as it cascades like a fountain, out through your crown chakra and into the universe. Know that you are infinitely powerful because you are part of the great Creator. Focusing on the breath, breathe out through the mouth all thoughts of insecurity and doubt, and inhale deeply through the nose and say the affirmation, I am. Breathe out through the mouth. Breathe in and say the words, I can. And breathe out. Breathe in and say the words to yourself, I will. And exhale. Know that everything within you and around you has a purpose. That your life did not happen by coincidence. That you are powerful, focused, and can achieve whatever you wish to create your reality. Focus on the task that you wish to achieve and feel the words, I am successful. Everything is possible. Embrace the new energy that you have now created. Feel the power of yourself as a truly inspired and successful individual. Know that through all your achievements, you are the driving force behind your emotions, and that everything in your life is whole and perfect in its place. And now open your eyes, feel inspired motivated and ready to begin a new way of thinking.